Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends and welcome to our channel TubeCore, and in this video we are going to review a product from Warrior Plus called Xena, or Xena, whatever however you pronounce it. So maybe Xena, or I'll take it as Xena, okay? Xena. So it's a Xena review, and at the top here you can see that on one of the world's biggest websites, netting us $214 plus a day. So $214 or more per day to them, right? Now again, ask the question to yourself, how come this number? Okay, why is it not 314? Why is it not 514? Why is it not 114? Why is it exactly 214? Where is the calculation? Show me the investment, show me the profit, show me the loss. Prove this number to me. Okay, so first of all, when you see such numbers right at the top here, that is something fishy. Now I'm not saying that this might not be making them money. Absolutely, this must be making them money, because that's why they are reinvesting it to launch a product on Warrior Plus. Now before we start the review, let's take a look at the profile of this product creator. It's called Digital Dimes, and they have launched like 4 products on Warrior Plus before. And for first product they made 500 sales, for second product they made 250 sales, for third product they made 100 sales, and for this current product they have made 25 plus sales already. Now understand the concept here. They have made 1377 sales, and these are the amounts. So they give 50% amount to affiliates and they keep 50% to themselves. So okay, that's how these people make money. Now whenever you see such websites on the internet like this one or any other, these websites will not make you any money, okay? But if you launch these kind of courses, if you launch these kind of websites on Warrior Plus as a vendor, then you can sell these courses and then you can make money. So let's open a calculator here, and if you check the amount, right? So let's say you check the first amount, which is $44. So 44 plus 28 plus 19 and plus 17. Okay, now now let's divide it by 2, because they only get 50% of the particular amount. So 54. Now they have made these kind of money, so you don't have to go into the details, because if you calculate 54 into 500 and then 250 and then 100 plus, so it's a lot of money. It's like thousands of dollars, even if they know anything or not. Like, you can outsource this process to a software developer. If somebody can make websites and dashboards, you can outsource the project to them. They can build such websites for you. All you have to do is list them on Warrior Plus and make money. Okay, so let's cut the crap here. Let's start the review. Make sure you stick till the end, otherwise you will lose your money. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. Okay, now let's start from the beginning here. It says one of the blah blah blah, it makes them 214. Now they're talking about Facebook website. Okay, so the website, they're not telling the name here, because they want you to buy the product and get inside the dashboard so that you can see which website they are talking about. But here I'm telling you they're talking about Facebook. Okay, so it says 100% free traffic, runs on autopilot, siphons free traffic from one of the world's largest website, no list, no video, no paid ads, newbie friendly, all that. It's targeting results as early as today. Okay, so Facebook is again a very big website, very big platform, filled with customers, filled with users, and a lot of people make a hell lot of money on Facebook. Okay, if you have a Facebook group page or fan page and you have thousands of followers, and maybe on Instagram as well, so you can make a lot of money on Facebook. Okay, but I mean, they must be making money as well. I'm not saying they're not making money. They might be having some followers on Facebook. They might be making a lot of money, but how exactly can anybody guarantee that this is going to work for you? Okay, because you will go into the dashboard in a moment, and let's go further down here. If we have any income disclaimer, let's see how much I can make with Xena. We cannot guarantee any amount of money. Our early adopters have been getting incredible results, as you can see throughout the page. Xena can help any. So all the reviews are fake, obviously, because you can pay people to give fake reviews. It doesn't have to be like a genuine review. So don't go by the screenshots which you see on the website here, or don't go by the reviews which you see in the in the video, because if you go onto YouTube, and on YouTube if you type in Xena review, let's say if you go into this one, now these are the videos. They are talking good things about Xena, because they are affiliates. These people are affiliates. They want to sell you this product so that they can make 50% commission. Okay, it doesn't matter to them if this product works for you or not. They have sold their souls, and I can't blame anybody, because eventually at the end of the day, everybody has to make money. You are here to make money as well. Okay, so, but technically, this is something I personally don't do. I don't sell any just crap, okay? Until unless I am 200% confident, I will never recommend that product to you, okay? Now let's go into the dashboard here and we'll take a look at some screenshots. Now this is the first one and this is the second one. So this is the dashboard. Now on the top left here, you can see that why Facebook is a powerful way to communicate, how to make a Facebook account for your business, FB profile account setup, step-by-step, installation of software, this and that. Now Facebook. Okay, so no matter in which country you are, let's say you're spamming Facebook, so eventually one day your account will be disabled or you will be banned from Facebook. Even Donald Trump is banned from Facebook for 2 years, God, for God's sake. What are you talking about? You cannot depend on third-party marketing sources. You cannot depend on Facebook. You cannot depend on Google Ads. You cannot depend on Bing Ads. You cannot depend on LinkedIn Ads. You cannot depend on Pinterest Ads. You can never depend on some third-party marketing companies, no matter how big they are. Google Ads, or maybe Google is the #1 company, Facebook is #2 company, Apple #3 company. But when it comes to your own business, you cannot depend on them, because Facebook can shut down your account anytime. Okay, Google Ads can shut down your account anytime. Pinterest can shut down your ads anytime. So these are not futuristic goals, okay? They have included Facebook because Facebook must be working for them for the time being. But there's no guarantee that if you set up your account, how long is it gonna work? When will you be, when your ads will be activated, when your account will be suspended? You never know. You don't know anything, what's gonna happen in the future. So why are you taking the risk? If you're willing to take the risk, then absolutely go ahead and buy the software. And definitely it's not gonna make you money, because the hard work has to be done, by you. So technically, if it is free, the Facebook is free, that means there's only one concept in Facebook. You have to go and post your, links into Facebook groups and all that. And what they will do is they'll just automate that process. So you don't have to do it manually. Otherwise, there's nothing else anybody can do in Facebook, okay? So you can create your business account Facebook first. And if you have to, let's say, run some ads in the future, you'll have to link your card. You have to link your credit card, in your Facebook ads account. And as soon as you add your card, your account will go on hold or on a review, and then it might get suspended. So Facebook, Google Ads, Bing Ads, these are so pathetic companies. They will suspend your account for no reason. Okay, so I'm not saying that this is going to happen. This is the next step, but are you willing to take the chance? Are you willing to spend the money to buy this software, and then eventually you find out in the end that, okay, you were trying to set up a new account, but your Facebook got suspended, and now you're trying to open a new account, but and those new accounts are getting suspended as well. So are you willing to take that risk? So you have to take things in your own hands. You have to take control of your own, you have to take control of your knowledge, okay? You have to stop depending on somebody to give you some magical system. You have to stop depending on somebody to tell you what to do, right? So you have to gain some skills. Right now, what you can do is you can actually have your own blogs. You can have your own website. You can have your own reviews about products on YouTube channel. You can do something which is in your control at least, okay? So if you write your blogs, if you have your own website, you can do its SEO. You can do SEO and you can rank your website in Google, in Bing, and that's organic. That means you don't have to depend on Google Ads to run your website. You don't have to depend on Bing Ads to run your website. So you have to gain these kind of skills if you are looking to make some money. Get your YouTube channel started. Make videos. If you can't come on the camera, then just speak. If you can't speak, then do voiceover or hire somebody to do it for you. So you have to do something if you want to make money. If you just depend on somebody else, even if you buy the system, you tell me how will you make money with this. You have a tick here, you have a tick here, you follow all these steps, but eventually, how will you make money? Will you make money? I doubt it. What you're gonna do is, if you don't believe me, then you can buy this software and you can just test it in your own time if it works for you. Otherwise, with my experience, I do not need somebody else to tell me how to make money, because nobody else can get into your shoes. They don't know you as an individual. They don't know what you do, what is your expertise, what are your skills, how much time can you give, what are the problems you're facing in your life. They are here only to sell this software. They are selling this software so that they can make some money with it. They are surviving by selling the software. Okay, so understand, you need to be a teacher if you want to make money, because students are going to pay you. Until and so far, you're only being a student. You're coming on Warrior Plus to search for something which can teach you how to make money online, or you're watching YouTube videos and trying to learn how to make money online, because as of now you are a student. So as long you're a student, you can never make money. So you have to be a producer, you have to be a teacher, you have to be a producer, which means you have to stop consuming products. If you keep consuming products, you will never become a producer of the product. So you can only make money once you start producing products. Okay, either you stop producing your own YouTube videos, either you stop producing product on Warrior Plus and become a vendor and sell it. Once you sell it, you will make money, or you start producing your own websites and blogs. You have to be a creator. You can never be a student for lifetime. As long you will be a student, you will only spend money. Okay, so make sure you go thoroughly and make the decision wisely, because here these screenshots which you think, these screenshots are all fake. Okay, they can be extracted from Google and just put it on the website. So this website might be making them a few dollars because they are selling it as a coaching class, as a training course. So this is making money for them, but there's no guarantee this is going to make money for you. You know how Facebook works. You can go and post links on Facebook groups, as long Facebook don't ban you. If Facebook bans you, disables your account, then this software is useless to you because you don't have a Facebook account. Okay, so take the matter in your own hands. Take control of your own knowledge. Don't let anybody tell you what to do. So learn something, learn how to make videos, learn how to do SEO, learn how to make website, learn something, then only you will make money online. Thank you so much for watching. And if you need to start a website, the link is in the description below. If you need unlimited hosting, if you want to host unlimited domains at one-time price, if you don't want to pay monthly to GoDaddy or Bluehost or Dreamhost, then there's a link in the description below. Click on the link, buy that unlimited hosting, and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video shortly.